Welcome to the Improvement Mastery tutorial on VOD review and self-analysis. You are putting in the hours. You play dozens of games a week, but your rank stays exactly the same. You queue up, sprint forward, get eliminated, and start all over again. The issue holding you back is not your reaction time. During a match, your brain is too focused on surviving to notice why you died. You cannot fix a mistake if you do not even see it happening in the heat of the moment. This chart shows the difference in improvement rates. Playing 50 games while actively reviewing your footage yields a 3 times faster growth rate than playing 100 games without review. Every professional esports team makes this a mandatory part of their schedule. By the end of this short tutorial, we will set you up with a frictionless recording process and a specific, repeatable method to analyze your deaths. Shifting your routine from passive grinding to active analysis gives you the exact mechanism needed to finally break your skill plateau. Let's move straight into setting up your recording software now. For mobile users, the easiest method is already on your phone. Just swipe down to your control center and tap the Screen Record button before matching. If you are using an older Android device that lacks a built-in option, download the free AZ Screen Recorder app. To prevent your device from running out of storage space after a single session, make sure you dial your recording quality down to 720p. If you play on a PC, you have low friction options as well. You can use the Windows game bar by pressing the Windows key plus G, or you can run OBS Studio in the background. If external screen recording drops your frame rate too much, check your in-game settings. Features like PUBG's Death Cam or Call of Duty's Theater Mode automatically capture the footage for you. The rule here is to start simple. Do not worry about producing high-quality broadcast footage today. Your only objective right now is to capture raw data. Now that your software is running, queue up and play exactly one match normally. When it is over, open the resulting video file. Do not sit there and watch the entire 20-minute gameplay clip from start to finish. Instead, grab the timeline scrubber and pull it forward until you locate the exact moment your character is eliminated. This brings us to the core analytical process you will use, the 10-second rewind. From the exact timestamp of your elimination, pull the video back exactly 10 seconds. Hit play, and prepare to watch just that specific window. We isolate this time frame because the final shot hitting you is rarely the actual mistake. The real error is the decision you made 10 seconds earlier that allowed that shot. Once you rewind, pause the video at exactly that 10-second pre-death mark. Looking at this frozen frame, perform a positioning audit. Ask yourself, where are you standing, and are you completely exposed? Next, did you have cover nearby, and could you have positioned yourself closer? Systematically identifying these positional failures takes a confusing loss and turns it into a highly specific, solvable problem. By pausing your footage, isolating that time frame, and identifying your lack of cover, you have successfully executed a professional-level VOD review. You are no longer going into your next match with a vague goal like, I need to aim better. You now have a precise objective. I will not initiate a fight unless I am standing next to hard cover. Do not queue up for another round until your recording software is configured. Your immediate task is to record one single game, isolate one death, and apply the 10-second rewind. Consistent upward progress does not come from raw playing time. It comes from extracting exactly one actionable lesson from every single match you play.
Gaming का है ख्वाब, स्पोर्टी है तेरा जवाब। Gaming का